I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here inside. I've been sleeping in my bed.
This is Vince Leah, the Healthy Vegan Guy, and today I'm at Memorial Park in Pasadena for the Farm Sanctuary Walk for Farm Animals. We're out here raising awareness for what's going on in the farm animal industry. We have about a 2.5 mile walk around the park, and then we're coming back here for food, games, and lots of fun entertainment. So let's go ahead and start walking around and see what this thing's all about.
I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I don't think you're right for here. Think of what it might have been if you took a bus to Chinatown. I'll be standing on the line.
Had over 600 people here. This is the biggest walk, I think, in Farm Sanctuary Walk history. I think, don't hold me to that. Lots of free food. Everyone looks like they're having a really good time. Everyone's in good spirits. Everything went well.
I'm sleeping here inside. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed.
So I'm here with the MC of the event today, Mr. Jason Robel. Great job today.
Thanks, brother.
Lots of raffles.
So generous, you know, and that's the amazing thing is like this community is just so generous, and we had dozens of vegan companies donating food and clothing and body care, and I don't know, it's just it warms my heart, you know, having done this almost 20 years and such humble beginnings in the mid-90s, and now it's just like anything you want that's vegan, you got it.
It's there for you.
Yeah.
Great time today.
Thanks, brother.
And I'll be signing off. Hope you enjoyed this video. You know the drill. If you liked it, thumbs up, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.
Healthy Vegan Guy.
Talk to you soon.